Okay, I think this Monadenium rubellum is ready to come out of its pot. Don't you? I usually leave these buried as long as I can because it makes the Caudex grow bigger faster. And then I just wait for them to tell me very clearly that they're ready to come out. So what I'll do is just break this pot, get the plant out, because I want to raise it up out of the dirt to show off this nice shape. I'm going to get rid of all this top dirt, get it off of there, get it real clean. And then I'm also going to get rid of all of the feeder roots, these little hairy hairball roots. So I'm going to imagine there's a equator right here, and I want to clean up everything above the equator. So I just go around, pull it down, and sometimes you lose a little soldier, but that can get rerouted. So we'll just keep going around and around. And removing the feeder roots helps these tubers get bigger. It concentrates the energy down to the Caudex. So, now because I have caused a bunch of little tiny injuries to this, I'm gonna let it dry, scar over in the shade for a day before I repot it. And when I repot it, I'm gonna take a little blast of either water, or what's best is to use an air compressor with a blower and just blow all this dirt out of these crevices so it's nice and clean and beautiful.